Okay guys, I'm opening a little present here from what my wife got me from Bass Pro. Let's see what I got here. Oh man. Got a little more paper. Hope you guys can see that. What do we got here? So, 2 new Garmin graphs with transducers. This has down scope and side scope, and it's compatible with the live scope, the Garmin Panoptics. So I've got one 93sv graph here, and then I've got another 9 here, so, or 93 here. So these are both 9-inch graphs. I'm going to be putting these one on the console of my boat and one on the front deck by the trolling motor. And I look forward to getting on the water and showing you how they look. Pretty awesome Christmas gifts. Make it a great day. Bye for now.